I've been talking about Pepe coin for the past couple of weeks in my Twitter channel, and this is my first video on Pepe. And no, this is not a BS coin, guys. This is very serious. I am not kidding. A lot of people are getting rich. And is Pepe coin the next 100x? Is it the next Doge? Is it the next Shiba? We saw what they did in the last bull market. Now, what really rallied the last bull market? It was Shiba and Doge, with Elon Musk and Vitalik and the whole community getting together and people having FOMO and fear of missing out and getting rich off meme coins. And is Pepe the next 100 meme coin? In this video, we're going to be having a look exactly at that and some technical analysis, because yes, it is actually in fact working, because Bitcoin and the whole market has been dumping except two coins, wojak and Pepe, which is quite fascinating. And of course, guys, if you want to get some bonuses, make sure you click on the link in the description below. You could get up to $1,000 in bonuses, which ends in 12 days. And of course, on another one, you could get up to $5,300 worth of bonuses using BingX. Two of my links will be linked in the description below. And of course, having a look at Pepe on CoinMarketCap, where is this going? With a rank of 2,615, 25,000 people on the watch list, traded at 5,937, up 80% in the last 24 hours, with the market cap of $250 million. Now, if we have a look at the markets, where is this traded? Well, we obviously and clearly got Uniswap, we got Huobi, we got Gate, we got Poloniex, we got Big Get, we got MEXC, we got BingX, we got a lot of these exchanges, guys, happening, and it is not even yet on a top 3 exchange. Now, if we go on exchanges real quick, you can see we got Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Bitstamp, Bybit. Imagine what happens when Pepe starts to slowly get, or even OKX starts to slowly get into one of these exchanges. Okay, now $250 million might seem very high, because yes, it's up 80% right now at the moment, and a lot of people are waiting for it to go back to $50 million. That's most likely not gonna happen. Now, a lot of people, when they saw Shiba at 1 billion, they're like, at 10 billion, they're like, I wish I got Shiba at $1 billion, and that would have been an easy 10x. Now, imagine what it could do right now, okay? 250 million, okay? Assuming this goes to a $25 billion market cap coin, that would be 100x from here. Is it possible? Yes, I think it is definitely possible. I mean, there is no doubt that this can go to a $20 billion market cap coin in the next bull cycle. We know how strong meme coins are. They're backed by Dogecoin, they're backed by Shiba Army, they're backed by all these meme coins, and they're backed by strong communities. And we know what happens when communities get together and they just start to pour money into meme coins. It just becomes crazy and out of this world. We can see that the volume right here is up $120 million in the past 24 hours. That is insane, guys. $120 million. I mean, I can't even explain right now. Cardano, ranked number 7, has currently a volume of 154 million. I mean, you could go down. Polkadot, $100 million. I mean, this is not BS. Shiba Inu, $64 million, guys. We got Avalanche, 91. So you could see that the volume is increasing drastically on Pepe, and it is not even the peak of the next bull cycle. Imagine what happens when this does peak at the beginning or at the end of the next bull cycle, right? Now, of course, this is not financial advice, guys. I do want you guys to do your own research and due diligence, like always. I mean, of course, this is up to you, and at the end of the day, this is a meme coin, but it is traded on a lot of good exchanges. So no, it's not a scam. They got 110,000 people following them, which is pretty crazy. I mean, it is just quite funny overall, nothing too crazy. If we have a look at Pepe on a technical analysis, we could probably see a correction back here, and this could be your last chance to get Pepe at these levels right here. Okay, so we know that when we have a breakout, any sort of breakout, we usually come back and retest the resistance which we broke out, which would flip into support. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to reach exactly 36. We could essentially come down, correct, maybe at 45 before essentially flipping to the upside. Now, keep in mind that we are pretty overbought on the RSI. We know that when we're overbought, investors look to sell. So right here, we had this crazy 10,000% rally, became overbought, and guess what happened? We had this nice little correction, did a nice little W pattern, which is a double bottom essentially, and then pretty much exploded. Now a W pattern would essentially, the target would essentially be the top to the bottom, and then you would take that at the breakout, and then boom, you guys can see right here we reached beyond our breakout, and that's about it. Now there is another meme coin that you guys may want to look at, and it's called Wojak. If I go right here and you go on Wojak, that thing is also up $40 million percent, sorry, with the market cap of $10 million. Okay, so this is also another meme coin that could potentially explode, but I feel like because they came out the same as Pepe, then it could be the derivative. I'm currently holding both. I've been holding both for about 2 weeks now, so I'm making quite an amount at the very moment, and that's about it. But going back into the TA, we did reach our double bottom pattern, as you guys can see. I've been talking and tweeting about Pepe for quite some time. Someone told me, can I make a video on Pepe coin? And I said, yes, fine, I'll do it. And this is it right now. So is this really the next 100x meme coin, guys, in the next bull market? I mean, we could see right here the volume to market cap ratio is pretty high. We got a lot of exchanges happening and popping up, and it's only a matter of time before Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and all these high-end top tier 1 exchanges gets listed and list Pepe. Because once this happens, guys, you're gonna see a lot of money flowing into that. Now if we have a look at the past month and the holders right here, we could see that the holders trackers keeps on increasing, guys. I mean, look at that, April 17 in the past 2 weeks approximately. Okay, this thing went from 7,000 holders all the way to 50,000 holders. Now keep in mind that is only on chain, so everyone who is holding on MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and is trading on ERC20, DexTool, and Uniswap is pretty much on that. Now imagine when this happens and it gets bigger on Binance Smart Chain and all the other chains, and it gets listed on Binance. We know what happened to Shiba Army and Shiba Inu when it got listed on Binance. It exploded, right? So in my opinion, it's only a matter of time before really this explodes. I think once it gets to 100,000 holders, I think this will really take it to the moon, and that's about it. I mean, before anything, guys, this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence and do, of course, your own research, and that's about it. But what is Pepe? For those of you guys who don't know, Pepe is a deflationary meme coin launched in Ethereum. The cryptocurrency was created tribute to Pepe the Frog, internet meme created by Matt Fury, which gained popularity in the early 2000s. Okay, this project aims to capitalize popular meme coin like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. So as you guys can see right here, number one, everyone knows who Pepe the Frog is. I mean, this thing has been out for years. The memes has been out for years as well, and of course they want to essentially make it like Shiba and Dogecoin. So it's going to be very interesting. I think that Pepe can actually overtake Shiba Inu, just because everyone knows Pepe and what it is, and you know, who doesn't know Pepe the Frog, right? So I mean, we all grew up with it, and honestly, that's about it. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next update tomorrow.